वन लाइनर्स। 1. भारतीय संविधान में मूल रूप से कितने मूल अधिकार थे और 4 संशोधन ने क्या बदलाव किया? How many fundamental rights were there originally in India's constitution and what change did the 44th Amendment make? Answer. Originally 7 fundamental rights. 44th Amendment removed right to property, Article 31, from fundamental rights and converted it to a legal right under Article 300A, leaving 6 fundamental rights. 2. संघ सूची, राज्य सूची और समवर्ती सूची में कितने कितने विषय हैं? How many subjects are in the Union list, State list, and concurrent list? Answer. Union list, 100 subjects, State list, 61 subjects, concurrent list, 52 subjects. 3. आपराधिक कानून, criminal law, किस सूची के अंतर्गत आता है? Under which list does criminal law fall? Answer. Concurrent list, not exclusively under the Union list. 4. राष्ट्रपति का चुनाव किस निर्वाचक मंडल द्वारा होता है? By which electoral college is the president elected? Answer. Indirectly elected by elected members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislatures, and elected members from Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, and Puducherry. 5. मनी बिल और वित्त विधेयक I और II में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between money bill and finance bill I and II? Answer. Money bills and finance bill I can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. Speaker decides under Article 110. Finance bill 2 can be introduced in either house. In states, money bills governed by Article 199. 6. भारतीय दंड संहिता (IPC) का नया नाम क्या है? What is the new name of the Indian Penal Code (IPC)? Answer. भारतीय न्याय संहिता. 7. अनुच्छेद 268 किससे संबंधित है और स्टाम्प ड्यूटी का राजस्व कहाँ जाता है? What is Article 268 related to and where does the revenue from stamp duty go? Answer. Stamp duty, tax on property purchases levied by the union but collected by state governments. Revenue goes to the central government. 8. देवनागरी और गुरुमुखी लिपि में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between Devanagari and Gurmukhi scripts? Answer. Devanagari is a script, Hindi language is written in it. Gurmukhi is a script, Punjabi language is written in it. Distinction between script, lipi, and language, bhasha. 9. अनुच्छेद 343 किससे संबंधित है? What is Article 343 related to? Answer. Designates Hindi language in Devanagari script as an official language of the Union. 10. अंतरराज्य जल विवाद किस अनुच्छेद के तहत और किसके द्वारा सुलझाए जाते हैं? Under which article and by whom are interstate water disputes resolved? Answer. Article 262. Resolved through a water disputes tribunal with Supreme Court review restricted, e.g., Kaveri River disputes between Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. 11. अंतरराज्य परिषद, Interstate Council, किस अनुच्छेद के तहत है और इसका अध्यक्ष कौन होता है? Under which article is the Interstate Council and who is its chairperson? Answer. Article 263. Permanent constitutional body appointed by President, Prime Minister serves as chairperson. 12. राज्यपाल की नियुक्ति कौन करता है और शपथ कौन दिलाता है? Who appoints the governor and who administers the oath? Answer. Appointed by the President, sworn in by the Chief Justice of the High Court. 13. गौतम बुद्ध ने पहला उपदेश कहाँ दिया और इस घटना को क्या कहते हैं? Where did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon and what is this event called? Answer. Sarnath, using Pali language, called Dharma Chakra Parivartana, turning of the wheel of Dharma. 14. सारनाथ को यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर सूची में कब शामिल किया गया और यह भारत का कौन सा स्थल है? When was Sarnath added to UNESCO World Heritage Sites and what number site is it for India? Answer. July 25, 2024, during UNESCO's 48th session in Busan, India's 45th UNESCO Heritage Site. 15. सारनाथ कहाँ स्थित है और यहाँ के प्रमुख ऐतिहासिक स्थल कौन-कौन से हैं? Where is Sarnath located and what are its major historical sites? Answer. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, contains Dhamak Stupa, Ashoka Pillar, and a museum. 16. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के 4 प्रमुख स्थल कौन-कौन से हैं? What are the 4 major sites of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, and Chanderdaro. 17. चान्होदारो किस लिए प्रसिद्ध था और यह वर्तमान में कहाँ स्थित है? What was Chandradaro famous for and where is it currently located? Answer. Primarily an industrial bead making hub, located in Pakistan. 18. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता में गढ़ी, सिटाडेल और निचले शहर में कौन रहते थे? Who lived in the citadel and lower town in the Indus Valley civilization? Answer. Wealthy people lived in the elevated citadel. For flood protection, common people lived in the lower town. 19. गांधी जी का पहला अनशन किस आंदोलन के दौरान हुआ और इसका क्या परिणाम निकला? During which movement did Gandhiji's first hunger strike occur and what was its outcome? Answer. Ahmedabad mill strike in 1918, sided with workers who lost their plague bonus, secured 35% salary increase for them. 20. बौद्ध धर्म के दो प्रमुख संप्रदाय कौन कौन से हैं? What are the two major sects of Buddhism? Answer. Hinayana and Mahayana. 21. ऋग्वेद में कितने मंडल और कितने सूक्त, मंत्र हैं? How many mandals and hymns, sutras are in the Rigveda? Answer. 10 mandals, books, containing 1028 hymns, sutras. 22. CRPF के वर्तमान डायरेक्टर जनरल कौन है और वे किस बैच और कार्ड के अधिकारी हैं? Who is the current Director General of CRPF and which batch and cadre its officer is he? Answer. Gyanendra Pratap Singh, 1991 batch its officer from Assam Meghalaya cadre. 23. Liquid Propulsion System Center के निदेशक के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया? Who was appointed as Director of the Liquid Propulsion System Center? Answer. M. Mohan. 24. भारत का पहला ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन हब कहाँ स्थापित किया गया? Where was India's first green hydrogen hub established? Answer. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, as part of Green Hydrogen Mission. 25. राष्ट्रीय डोपिंग विरोधी एजेंसी, नाडा, की स्थापना कब और किस मंत्रालय के अंतर्गत हुई? When was the National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA, established and under which ministry? Answer. November 2005, under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. 26. सुभाष चंद्र बोस आपदा प्रबंधन पुरस्कार 2025 किलोसेकंड्स मिला? Who received the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025? Answer. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS. 27. खो खो विश्व कप में भारत ने क्या उपलब्धि हासिल की? What achievement did India make in the Kho Kho World Cup? Answer. India won both men's and women's Kho Kho World Cup trophies, defeating Nepal's teams in both categories. 28. Ordnance Factory अंबाझरी ने किस देश को कितनी सेना की वर्दियां सप्लाई की? How many army uniforms did Ordnance Factory Ambazari supply to which country? Answer. 4,500 army uniforms to Suriname, South American country. 29. Ecuador का नाम, Ecuador, क्यों पड़ा? Why is Ecuador named Ecuador? Answer. Ecuador is located exactly on the equator line, which is why it was named Ecuador. 30. अनुच्छेद 262 का उदाहरण देते हुए बताइए कि कावेरी नदी विवाद किन राज्यों के बीच है? Giving an example of Article 262, between which states is the Kaveri River dispute. Answer. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. 31. संघ सूची में कौन कौन से प्रमुख विषय हैं? What are the major subjects in the Union list? Answer. Defense and Foreign Affairs, National Matters. 32. राज्य सूची में कौन कौन से प्रमुख विषय हैं? What are the major subjects in the state list? Answer. Police and Agriculture. 33. वित्त विधेयक 2 को किस सदन में पेश किया जा सकता है? In which house can finance bill to be introduced? Answer. Either House of Parliament. 34. बुद्ध ने सारनाथ में पहला उपदेश किस भाषा में दिया और क्यों? In which language did Buddha deliver his first sermon at Sarnath and why? Answer. Pali language, to reach common people. 35. नाडा का पूरा नाम क्या है और ये क्या करती है? What is the full form of NADA and what does it do? Answer. National Anti-Doping Agency, prevents athletes from using performance-enhancing drugs. 36. Green Hydrogen Mission का उद्देश्य क्या है? What is the objective of the Green Hydrogen Mission? Answer. To promote green hydrogen as a clean energy source, India's first green hydrogen hub launched in Visakhapatnam. 37. राज्यों में धन विधेयक किस अनुच्छेद के अंतर्गत आता है? Under which article do money bills in states fall? Answer. Article 199. 38. ऋग्वेद को किस प्रकार का संग्रह कहा जाता है? What type of collection is the Rigveda described as? Answer: A collection of classical music, hymns, suits. 39. इक्वाडोर ने कितने दिनों की आपात स्थिति घोषित की? How many days of emergency did Ecuador declare? Answer: 60-day state of emergency. 40. इनकॉइस का पूरा नाम क्या है? What is the full form of INCOIS? Answer: Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. The 23rd of August 2026 Current Affairs. 1. अगस्त 2026 में भारतीय थल सेना प्रमुख जनरल धीरज सेठ को नेपाल द्वारा जनरल की मानद उपाधि से सम्मानित किया गया. Indian Army Chief General Dheeraj Seth was conferred the honorary rank of general by Nepal in August 2026. 2. वर्ष 2025 के अर्जुन पुरस्कार के लिए 19 खिलाड़ियों का चयन किया गया. 19 sportspersons were selected for the Arjuna Awards for 2025. 3. राजस्थान के पर्यावरणविद सुमेर सिंह भाटी को 2026 में पर्यावरण संरक्षण के क्षेत्र में सम्मानित किया गया. Rajasthan environmentalist Sumer Singh Bhati was honored in 2026 for his contribution to environmental conservation. 4. हाल ही में विश्व फोटोग्राफी दिवस the 19th of August को मनाया गया. World Photography Day was recently observed on the 19th of August. 5. हाल ही में 1-2 ब्रिक्स पर्यावरण मंत्रियों का सम्मेलन नई दिल्ली में आयोजित हुआ. The 12th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting was recently held in New Delhi. 6. हाल ही में ऋतु शुक्ला को दूरदर्शन का नया महानिदेशक नियुक्त किया गया. ऋतु शुक्ला was recently appointed as the new Director General of Doordarshan. 7. भारत ने पहली बार गी टैग वाले मिथिला मखाना की समुद्री खेप बिहार के दरभंगा से ऑस्ट्रेलिया भेजी. India shipped its first ever sea consignment of GI tagged Mithila Makhana from Darbhanga, Bihar, to Australia. 8. ग्लाव झील को भारत का 101 रामसर स्थल घोषित किया गया. Glaw Lake was declared India's 101st Ramsar site. 9. भारत ने अग्नि 4 मध्यम दूरी की बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल का सफल परीक्षण चांदीपुर, ओडिशा से किया. India successfully test fired the Agni 4 medium range ballistic missile from Chandipur, Odisha. 10. केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल ने राष्ट्रीय परिपथ जैव अर्थव्यवस्था योजना के लिए 2373111 INR की मंजूरी दी. The Union Cabinet approved 23,731 crore rupees for the National Circular Bioeconomy Scheme. 11. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने आंध्र प्रदेश के भोगापुरम में अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे का उद्घाटन किया. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Alluri Sitaram Raju International Airport at Bhogapuram in Andhra Pradesh. 12. केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल ने पीएम किसान योजना को वर्ष 2030-31 तक जारी रखने की मंजूरी दी. The Union Cabinet approved the continuation of the PM Kisan scheme up to 2030-31. 13. भारत में वर्ष 2025 की बेरोजगारी दर 6.5% दर्ज की गई. India's unemployment rate was recorded at 6.5% in 2025. 14. वर्ष 2026 का ब्रिक्स शिखर सम्मेलन 12-13 सितंबर को नई दिल्ली में आयोजित किया जाएगा. The BRICS Summit 2026 will be held in New Delhi on 12-13 September. 15. अगस्त 2026 में भारतीय थल सेना प्रमुख जनरल धीरज सेठ को नेपाल द्वारा जनरल की मानद उपाधि प्रदान की गई. Indian Army Chief General Dheeraj Seth was conferred the honorary rank of general by Nepal in August 2026. Previous question answer. The Territorial Army of India launched Terrier Cyber Quest 2026 TCQ 3.0 on August 21, 2026 in partnership with which organization? Answer: B. Cyberpeace. The Territorial Army of India launched Terrier Cyber Quest 2026 TCQ 3.0 on the 21st of August 2026 in partnership with Cyberpeace. The National Hackathon focuses on indigenous defense cybersecurity solutions. Question of day. India recently handed over its third anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft, ASW/SWC, Mangrol, to the Indian Navy. It was built by which shipyard? A. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, MDL, Mumbai. B. Garden Reach Shipbuilders, GRSE, Kolkata. C. Kochi Shipyard Limited, CSL, Kochi. D. Hindustan Shipyard Limited, HSL, Vishakhapatnam. Thank you. Subscribe Muskan Study Material for daily current affairs and GKGS.